Hey everyone, welcome to Qodex.ai, your AI-powered platform for effortless API testing and automation. With Codex, you don't have to write a single line of code. You can just tell it what you want to test in plain English. For example, let's say I want to generate endpoint-level unit tests for my API collection. I'll just type that in. No scripting, no setup needed. Ready? Let's start testing. Now, to get started, let me type write end-to-end functional tests for my API collection. To upload a collection, click on Add a Collection. Under Import Collection, I can choose my file. It could be Swagger or Postman. Once the collection is uploaded, Qodex automatically detects all my endpoints and organizes them neatly, no manual mapping required. It instantly prepares everything for testing. Next, Codex goes ahead and generates a complete set of test scenarios for me. These scenarios are created intelligently based on my endpoints, request types, and parameters. I don't have to do a thing. Here's what's great. I can actually review all these scenarios before saving. If something feels off or I want to tweak it, I can just say it in English. Something like, add a test for user login, or skip the delete endpoint, and Codex instantly adjusts everything for me. If I only want to save certain scenarios, say 1, 2, and 5, I can just tell Codex to save them. It'll keep those and automatically build the right test logic, including any API chaining needed. Here's one of the scenarios that's been generated. When I open it, I can see that all prerequisites and data dependencies are already in place. Everything's connected perfectly for smooth test execution. I can also add my own test rules or validations here, things like status codes or response values. And if I don't have test data yet, that's totally fine. I'll just click on Generate Payload, and Codex instantly creates realistic test data for me automatically. It even shows me the code behind this test scenario in case I want to integrate it with my existing setup or modify it further. Now that everything's ready, let's run the test. I'll just click Run on the right-hand side. Here, I can choose the environment I want to test in. Once I hit Run, Codex triggers the build and starts executing the test, and I can watch the results update live on the dashboard. When the test passes, I can open View Details to see a complete build report. It shows which test rules were successful and if anything failed. There's even an auto-healing feature that helps fix broken test cases automatically. If a test fails, Codex highlights exactly what went wrong and suggests how to fix it. I can simply click Fix Me to apply those AI-suggested changes. Once done, I just click Save. Codex applies the fixes. I can even sync this with GitHub to make it part of my CI/CD pipeline. And that's it. Codex handles everything from generating tests and payloads to healing failures, saving hours of effort, while giving you deep visibility and control over your APIs. And that's how easy API testing becomes with Qodex.ai. Thanks for watching.